guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another amazing video that I cannot wait to share with you. I am taking a part of seasonal summer kitchen vignette that is hosted by a lovely lady, Denise Jordan. Her channel is This and That with Denise Jordan. If you don't know her, she does so much on her channel. I love how she's throwing those challenges for us, the seasonal and the annual ones. I have another one's coming about the garden in container garden that I'm really excited. She has ton of decor, DIY, all kinds of videos on her channel. She does lots of shout outs. So if you have not seen any of her videos, you need to go check it out. All the information about her will be listed in the description below, along with the playlist who participated in this challenge. So the rules for the challenge were a little bit I thought they were pretty cool because I had everything, and I'm like, you know what, I'm doing it because I have everything. So the theme of the challenge was Summer Kitchen Vignette, which is a coastal tray, and the thing has to be on the tray. We have to put it all on the tray. It has to have some kind of wording. It has to have a floral DIY, and it has to have like herbal plant, or it doesn't have to be a real, I don't think, but I had one, so I'm like, perfect. Anyway, so this is kind of an overview of what you're about to see. If you would like to see what I come up with my kitchen coastal arrangements, please continue watching. So let's try put it together. So it's supposed to be on a tray, this is my tray, and I love it that it has like it's a really old one. I don't even know where I got it. I'm kind of wanted to give it a makeover, but I like the farmhouse style, kind of. So this is gonna be my tray. So, and I have this little cute thing that I don't even remember where I got it. It says, "We go together like lemons and sweet tea." So I kind of want it here. And I have another placard that I loved because it had like a couple of seashells on it. So I'm thinking to maybe redo it. It says "Count Your Blessing." I'm kind of liking it like this to put it. So then this plant, I am gonna work with it in my container garden video, but for now this is just sitting in this little green container that I got from Dollar Tree. This is actually asparagus, so I'm gonna put it here. And this is not a kitchen, but it's my stationery upstairs where I kind of do a kitchen because it's my coffee thing going here. So this thing I got it. It was a set, so I'm still having it, but mostly I'm using this for my creamer, and it says Queen of the World, so I like that. There's my teacup, which is gonna go right here. And the teacup actually has the same Queen of the World, and it has a little cute flower, so that will go here. And this is I got for my dad when he comes visit. This is really cute because I don't know if you guys know, I was born and raised in Ukraine, and I lived there for 20 years. I live in the US, Austin, Texas for 18 years now, and I am US citizen, but we are still kind of on European style coffee, so we drink espressos. This is a perfect teeny tiny cup, and I am more becoming Americanized, so I guess my seashells are falling off, so well, oh well. Anyway, so this is the set when my dad's visiting. It's always on the table so he can kind of help himself. So I'm gonna put it here and kind of move my tray. And I actually have this cute little mat. I have several of them And I usually put it so when people get, oh people, I mean and me and my husband mainly, because kids don't drink coffee, so we don't spill anything. So I got the floral arrangement, which is, I have made this, and this is, says deep in the heart of Texas. I made this floral little container in a farmhouse style, so I will either throw it in the cards or I will insert the video how I made this. Gonna be back. There you go. Okay, and my little coffee maker, if you could tell, it's right here. So this is my kitchen vignette. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my little kitchen coastal arrangements on the tray. I love it, and I think my husband really enjoys it because I was using it. I keep looking there because it's on that side of my room. It was on the table, but I wasn't using the tray. I wasn't using kind of like a placemat. So, but then when I saw the invitation for this challenge, I'm like, I do have a coastal tray. It's somewhere. I bought it who knows how long, and I pulled it. I give it a little bit of cleanup, and it's amazing. I'm glad I found it. I don't even remember where I got it. Probably some Goodwill, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much. Don't forget, there's a playlist going with everybody who participates. If you want to see more video, just go in my description box and click on the playlist and watch away. But this is all for today from me, and I will see you soon in the next video. Be safe out there, and bye for now.